Hello. Unboxing slash, yeah, I guess a review, sort of, overview. At least I can give you, an idea of the quality for now. But, it's a 5-piece nylon utensil set. Kitchen, cooking, home and kitchen. It's by Deiss, I guess, or Deiss, D-E-I-S-S. And right now, it's $10.18 for these on Amazon. I think it's a pretty good deal. Prime shipping. The listing is Deiss Art 5-piece nylon utensil set, soup ladle, slotted turner, spaghetti server, serving spoon, slotted serving spoon, safe for non-stick cookware, dishwasher safe. See, the box says what's inside, which I just listed actually. The 13.12 inches is the average size, it looks like. They are each wrapped up in plastic for protection, but of course, you want to wash them before you use them, which, I will. I haven't used them yet, so they just came in. They give you a little magnet here. Many people cook, but only the wise ones know the art of cooking. Huh, okay. And here's our slotted spoon. Regular spoon. We have a ladle, spatula or turner, and a spaghetti server is what they call it, but you can use it for other stuff too. Like I use them for eggs. They're perfect size to grab like hard-boiled eggs out of the water. But quality wise here, these are, they feel nice. They're lightweight, but they seem nice. They're nice rubberized handles here. They are dishwasher safe. They have little holes in them so you can hang them up if you want to. They seem fine. The handles are good. It's one of my big problems with a lot of the utensils I get and have. The handles come off very easy, and it's kind of annoying to get them back on. But here it is here. There's the spatula. Or turner. It's kind of nice, actually. The other ones I have are up at more of an angle. This one is a nicer, a lower angle, as it were, to get in there and flip it over, because the other ones are like that. And I don't know, it's hard to describe unless you really do it. But here's the spoon here. It's actually nice. Looks like just a large serving spoon. Whatever. The slotted spoon, of course, here. Ladle and spaghetti server and spatula, or they call it a slotted turner. And it does have a bevel on it so you can get underneath stuff, like a knife, kind of like a knife edge. But these do seem nice. They're nice rubber. I don't know what you want to call them, little dots on there. I forget exactly what that would be called. I believe there's a name for that, but whatever. They're nice long handles. They're nice large size heads on them here. They do seem quality made. I'm gonna have to use them, of course, here. I don't see any, excess plastic or anything like that on them that needs to be, shaved off or might happen to fall off. Which is nice. They seem well made. I mean, for the price, they're not bad. You're talking about $2 a piece, really, because they're $10.18, and you're getting 5 of them. Also, they do come with an ebook as well called Healthy Cooking Tips if you order it. It says value is $9.95, and you get it absolutely for free. Yeah, that's not bad. But yeah, not a bad set. I can't wait to try them out. Link to the review will be down in the description once it's posted. Thanks.